Oh, there goes a little horn action. She's tapping him on the butt with her horns. Come on, Billy. Come on, Bruno. Look at her. She's getting kind of aggressive. Look at the hair on the back of her neck.
It's pecking order.
Yeah. Ooh. You better get out of the way.
That goes like 4 seconds compared to me.
Oh, she's gonna give him a new hole.
Yes, they do. Yes, they do, Max. Maxaroo.
Oh, they're very...
Are there babies in there?
Yes.
They've already hatched? What is it? Is it one of those little brown and black?
It's the Oregon Juncos.
Yeah, the tiny...
How many grow? Usually you only find 1 or 2 at the base of a tree.
Well, these are really... What they morels? Oh, you got earwig with that one.
Yeah, we're gonna soak them in water. Wow, look at this one. Holy shit.
Oh.
Look at this one.
Is it coming out? Oh.
Look at that one. These are the kinds you find in the woods. I remember when I was a kid, my dad took us out and you'd see these popping out of the ground. It grew and it grows sideways. There's probably more under that's kind of stuck.
Yeah, I'm probably walking on them.
I remember the book. You don't pull them out of the ground. You pull the root and then you lose the mushroom. It won't grow back. You cut it and then it'll grow back bigger next year. That's what I remember reading in the mushroom book. I was covered up. Yeah, this one growing sideways. Looks a big cluster right here.
I'll let you be the one to confirm whether or not they're poisonous.
That's one cluster right there.
I wonder, yeah, if this is like the peak time to get them, or if these are like on their way out.
I can't. I only went mushroom picking like once or twice. So it's getting a little dry. So they're starting to get dry and die. But here's a nice massive one. So we just cut it so it can grow back next year bigger. And check that one out. To think, people got, this is probably a few hours of picking in the woods, and we just did it in like 10 minutes.
Okay.
I think we need to dig. They're looking for one.
They're digging and working for something. Yeah, they're just so happy to be in some grass. We had it closed off for so long so it can grow. And now we got the dandelions, and so they're in here just loving it. They all look so pretty in the grass. So happy. The goats are finally excited to have a true day of spring. It's only like 10 o'clock in the morning. They're laying on the ground just so content, soaking up the sun. So excited. What a life. What is that? You are a healthy snake. Oh, you're gonna go into the box. Nice. Where are you going? Okay, you be on your way. Yeah, that would have been fun to discover.